बावरी से इस जहां में बावरा एक साथ हो, इस सयानी भीड़ में बस हाथों में तेरा हाथ हो। बावरी से धुन हो कोई, बावरा एक राग हो, बावरी से पैर चाहे बावरी तरानों के, बावरी से बोलते थिरकना, बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना। लाइफ में हम सबको कभी ना कभी प्यार की जरूरत जरूर पड़ती है, और अगर हम लोग किसी मेंटल इलनेस की बात करें तो उन लोगों के लिए प्यार और ज्यादा जरूरी हो जाता है, क्योंकि पहली चीज दे थिंक दैट दे डू नॉट डिजर्व लव, एंड सेकेंडली लव कैन एक्चुअली हील देम। मेनी a times I've seen that people who are partners with someone who has depression or anxiety disorder often take their excessive need for love as being dependent on them or as being weak. But this is the purpose of making this video, so that I can help you understand what your partner is going through and how you can actually help them by not taking it as a burden. So let me take it point wise. सबसे पहले, if you are talking on text, so many of you might have experienced that your partner is sending lots of text, and if you don't reply, then there is a bunch of text waiting for you ki where are you, how are you, why aren't you replying, are you okay, are you angry at me, आप हमसे गुस्सा हैं। तो ये चीजें they might even annoy you a lot, and you might think कि ये इंसान कितनी क्लिंगी हो रही है, मेरी कोई स्पेस नहीं है, मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं कि हम अपना टाइम स्पेंड कर सकें। बट द थिंग इज, व्हेन अ पर्सन सफर्स फ्रॉम एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर, अगर आप उनके कुछ मैसेजेस का रिप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स इन देयर माइंड इज कि आप नाराज तो नहीं हैं, और अगर एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशन में दे माइट इवन थिंक कि आप मर चुके हैं। तो दिस माइट सीम फनी एंड absurd, बट दिस इज ट्रू। देयर माइंड ट्रिक्स देम टू बिलीव कि आपके साथ कुछ बुरा हो गया है। So when they are sending you a lot of text, that means they are actually worried for you, because their brain is making them think all sorts of negative things कि ये ना हो गया हो, and this is not in their control. So when they send you these messages, that does not mean that they are being dependent on you. That just means that they seek slight validation from you that you are okay, and they just need you to tell them that you are okay and you are there with them. They can calm down. That is all they need to hear. तो I don't think इसमें बहुत ज्यादा कुछ एफर्ट है कि अगर कोई इंसान आपको 20 मैसेज भेजे और आप उसके रिप्लाई में बस ये लिख दे कि हम ठीक हैं, चिंता मत करो, तो I don't think that will take a lot of effort. तो बस इतना ही चाहिए होता है उस इंसान को। उस इंसान को आपका 24/7 प्रेजेंस नहीं चाहिए, उस इंसान को कोई चीज नहीं चाहिए, बस आपका वैलिडेशन चाहिए कि आप हैं, क्योंकि उनका माइंड उनको नहीं बिलीव करने देता कि उनके साथ कोई भी पूरी लाइफ रह सकता है। सेकेंड थिंग, इट्स ओके टू क्राई। अगर आपका पार्टनर दिन भर रो रहा है बिना किसी रीजन के, जो कि कभी कभी होता है एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर या डिप्रेशन में, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली ओके। यू हैव टू रियलाइज दैट दिस इज एन इलनेस। जैसे किसी को बुखार हो रहा है, तो यू कांट जस्ट टेल देम कि बुखार गायब कर दो तो बुखार चला जाएगा, यू कांट। So similarly, you can't tell them to stop crying just by something. You just have to wait till they calm down by themselves. And it's okay to see them cry. You can just hug them, you can cuddle with them, you can hold their hand, you can see them cry. That is all you can do, and that will actually help them. हम कई बार ऐसा देखें कि अगर कोई इंसान आपको रोता हुआ सुन रहा है तो थोड़ी देर में आप अपने आप शांत हो जाते हैं। तो you have to understand that allow them to cry. Don't tell them to stop crying, because crying is the best therapy that can ever be there for an anxious mind. Then third thing, and the most important thing, is that you have to believe, you have to understand that this is an illness and this will go away if you help the person. Love actually heals. if you are there with them, if you take them to the doctor, if you provoke them to take psychotherapy and again and take care of them, I'm sure that they'll get fine, they'll improve, and they may even get cured completely. So it's not impossible to see them happy all the time. And fourth, last but not the least, you have to not get affected by their sadness or their anxiety. Because since you know that it's an illness, तो even if वो उदास हो रहे हैं या even if वो परेशान हो रहे हैं, तो आपको नहीं उदास होना है कि अरे जिससे हम प्यार करते हैं वो परेशान है. Because that will be harmful for both of you. You have to understand that it is okay for them to be sad. I am a different person. I don't need to be sad with their sadness. I have to be there for them. And that will be a bliss for both of you. Once you realize that how much you can do just by a simple validation, just by saying I love you maybe 10 times a day, that is not because they don't believe you or they don't trust you. That is just because their mind tells them that they are not worthy of love and they need you to assure them that you are there for them. And I'm sure if you love them, then you are there for them under every situation. So I hope this video helps, and if there is anything you need more help with, I'm always there. Thank you.